Want to buy Cardano ADA with PayPal? I'll show you the fastest way to do it safely. First, pick a crypto exchange that supports PayPal. Platforms like eToro, Coinbase, or Binance often allow PayPal deposits. Make sure your account is verified. Now, log into the exchange and go to deposit funds. And choose PayPal as your payment method and enter the amount you want to spend. It'll show up here, PayPal. Once your funds are in, navigate to the Buy Crypto or Trade section and search for Cardano ADA and select it. Choose the amount of ADA you want to buy, double check the conversion rate and fees, then hit buy. Your ADA will now appear in your exchange wallet. For extra security, consider transferring your ADA to a private wallet like a Ledger or Trust wallet. This keeps your crypto safe from hacks. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.